In this video, I'm going to teach you how to put a Rubik's Cube into a glass jar. Well, this won't be much of a tutorial, but it's mostly just going to be you watching me do it and learning from that. But I will say a few things first. The things that you're going to want, you're obviously going to want a cube. I suggest that you get one that has adjustable tensions, so that if you take off the center cap, you can remove the screws. That will be a little bit helpful. Although you can do it with pretty much any other cube. Just if it has some crazy anti-pop mechanism, it'll probably make it a little bit hard. And it'll also make it a little bit more difficult if you can't take out the centers. So Rubik's brand, for example. I don't recommend using that, but it is possible, and I have done it before. You're also going to need a glass jar, obviously. Of course, Rubik's Cube and glass jar. You're going to need a cube, you're going to need the jar. The jar, you want to use a jar that the diameter, the opening, is just bigger than the size of the cube. So this is a 57 millimeter cube. The opening of this is about 60 millimeters, so it's perfect. So this is what you're going to need. Also, chopsticks and tape might come in handy later on, so you might want those too. Okay, so let's get started. Now we're going to do the exact same thing with these F12 slots that we did with the second one here. But the first one was already done because we stuck it in assembled. Twist. Okay. Now all that's left is the centerpiece, and make sure you don't lose this screw here. So I'm going to take this tape, stick it in here, take my chopstick and put it in there to make it stick. That should be good. And now there we go. Just get this. Okay. And there we go.